good afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Today we are going to Today we are going to discuss our subtraction chapter, practice questions. Our MCQ.
Ma'am, you are not recording.
Sorry.
You are not recording.
Dear, please listen what I am saying. Okay? It's recording is going on. Don't worry. So, dear children, our MCQ2 portion completed. We have MCQ2 portions, chapter 3, 4, 5. Chapter 3, numbers. Chapter 4, it's 4.2, only 4.2 that we have discussed in the class, 4.2. We don't want to study 4.1 and 4.3. Like that, chapter 5, subtraction, only 5.2 you have to study. You don't want to do any workbook problem on 5.1 and 5.3. Only 5.2 you have to do. And that we have completed. Today onwards, we can do the revision. For that, so a few practice questions. We have to do few practice questions. And the chapter 5 practice question, we don't want to study all the, we don't want to do all the questions. Only few questions we have to do. In that, many questions are very easy that we have already done. And few questions only we have to do some practice that we are going to do now. And we will be doing in the maths notebook. You can give the heading practice questions and you can do in the maths notebook. You don't want to write the question because already it is there in the workbook. You can write the question number and you can copy down the questions. You can copy, do the answer. Are you all ready? Do you have your maths notebook with you? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What about your workbook? Do you have your workbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, all of you open that. And before that, have you completed?
Ma'am, which page?
Wait, before
Which
that,
page?
before that, let me ask you one question. Have you all completed 5.2?
Yes.
5.2 workbook problems, everything you have completed. Last day's homework, everything completed.
Yes.
If anybody is there to complete, please do it fast because tomorrow I will take a short test on subtraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So you have to be ready for that.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now open your workbook, page number 53 and notebook also. And notebook and workbook, page number 53.
Ma'am,
Both you have to open. Page number 53. Dear children, you don't want to do every practice question. Here I circled a few questions. That questions only you want to do.
I didn't do nothing.
These circled, you can circle all these questions. These questions only you want to practice. And in that, this questions with a tick we are going to discuss now.
16 illa.
15, 16 illa.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
I will, sorry?
And we have to write in the notebook.
Answers we have to write in the notebook. Don't write anything now. I'll tell you when you want to write. Question number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Only this question we have to practice. In that, from question number 11 to 19, the questions are very easy. So we are going to do question number 20 onwards. Okay. 20, okay. 21, 22, all those questions we are going to do.
Okay, ma'am.
So questions will be in the practice question will be
Ma'am,
the
workbook.
Dear children, is there any place to write answer? No. So we have to take your maths notebook
No.
to do the problems. Is it clear to you? So
Okay, ma'am.
take your maths notebook. First question. We are going to do question number 20 now. Question
Okay,
number
ma'am.
20 we are going to do now. Question number 20. What is the difference between 8,208 and 4,819? How will find the
Ma'am,
difference?
I cannot see.
How will find the difference?
You want to subtract?
We have to subtract those numbers. So all of you open your maths notebook and give the heading. Give the heading. Revision 4.
Revision.
Revision 4 MCQ 2. And give the heading subtraction. Subtraction. That we are going to do practice questions.
Ma'am, the page number.
Page number 53.
You will send a WhatsApp.
Dear, please copy down this now. Don't wait for the WhatsApp message. If anything is there to complete, you can depend the WhatsApp message. Otherwise, please write along with me. And now we are going to do question number 20. Subtract the numbers. THHTO.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
What happened? What about others? Can you all sing about? Yes.
See. Ma'am, now I can. Ma'am, I have
8,208 minus 4,819. Do the subtraction. Do the subtraction. Sarah, have you completed? Have you got answer? Zara, please unmute. Sarah, please unmute. Sarah, can you hear me? Please unmute. Please unmute. Now try to unmute. Sachin Muhammad, please unmute. Sachin. Yes. You have to help me to do this subtraction. Okay. Sachin. Can you hear me? Sachin, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes or no? I think I'm not audible to him. Christina, please unmute. Christina? Yes, please unmute. We can do the subtraction. From where we have to start subtraction, Christina?
Ones place.
Ones place. Here, 8 minus 9. What we will get 8 minus 9?
We can't do. We want to borrow.
We have to borrow. Borrow from 8 is less than 9. So we have to borrow from where?
Tens place.
Tens place. Here tens place 0 is there.
Yes.
So can we borrow?
No.
No. So what we have to do? First we have to make this 0. We have to make this 0 tens.
Yes.
10. 0 we have to make 10. For that we have to borrow from which place?
100 place.
From 100 place we have to borrow 1 to make 0 10. So we borrowed 1 from this 2. So this 2 will become
1.
1. 2 minus 1, 1.
1.
And this 0 will become 10.
10.
Have you understood now? From this 2, we borrowed 1 to make this 0 10. So this 2 will become 1. And the 0 will become 10. And next, we have to make this 8 18. Isn't it? Do you want?
Yes.
So for that, we have to borrow 1 from this 10. So this 10 will become 10 minus 1?
9.
9. And the 8 will become? 1's place 8 will become?
18.
18. Now, 18 minus 9. What do you get? 18 minus 9?
9.
9. Then, 10's place. What do you have to subtract in 10's place?
9 minus 1.
Yes, 9 minus 1. What do you get? 9 minus 1?
8.
8.
8.
Then 1 minus 8. Can we subtract 1 minus 8?
No.
No. So what do we have to do?
Borrow from thousands place.
Borrow from 1000 place. 8 will become? From 8 we are going to borrow 1. So 8 will become? Christina.
Yes, ma'am.
8 will become?
7.
8 minus 1? From 8 we will borrow 1. So 8 will become 8 minus 1? 7. And the 1 will become, this 100 place 1 will become?
11.
11. Now 11 minus 8. What you will get?
Yes.
11 minus 8? 3.
3.
And 7 minus 4, what you will get? 7 minus 4.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes, Sarah?
3.
7 minus 4? 3.
Three.
3,389. Okay.
3,300.
Sarah, where were you?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Where were
Sorry,
you?
ma'am. I have network issue, ma'am.
Okay,
My
okay.
mom goes to the class. That's why.
Okay.
Where do we have to write the answer?
Yes, you have to do this in your notebook.
Where do we write the answer in the workbook?
No need to write in the workbook.
Correct answer.
Write the question number and who got correct answer? Who got correct answer?
Aishwarya.
Anna, Aishwarya, Evelyn, Christina. Very good, very good. Very good. Who? Sia. Dara, Regan, everybody. I can see many hands. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, dear children. Very good. Now, next we can discuss. Everybody, please mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Please mute your audio. Very much disturbance is going on. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
who will read? Evelyn, please read question number 21.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
There are 672 pencils kept in a box. If 389 pencils are sold for
How many?
how many pencils are left in the box?
Okay. So, first step, what do you write the first step? There are 672 pencils kept in a box. So, what
Ma'am,
is
we
the first
want to
step?
write in first step 1,000.
No, I am asking first step, first statement for this word problem.
Pencils kept in a box.
Somebody said? Ashwati. Very good. Evelyn?
Yes.
Now have you understood what I mean? Yes. Number of pencils kept in a box equal to 672. Let Evelyn say next step. What will be the next step?
Number of pencils sold.
Very good. Number of pencils sold equal to 300. 389. Then what will be the final step?
Total.
No. What you have to find out, that should be the last step. So what will be the last step?
Want to subtract?
No, I am asking. After number of pencils sold equal to 389. Sia is saying the step. After that, what step we have to write? What do you have to write?
Total number.
Number of pencils left in the box.
Number of pencils left in the box.
Yes, number of pencils left in the box. So what do you have to do to find? No need to write the steps in the notebook now. I will send through WhatsApp. You can check the answer. The subtraction we have to do now. Okay. So with these will be the steps. Number of pencils kept in a box equal to 672. Then next step. Number of pencils sold equal to 389. Then next step, number of pencils left in the box equal to 672.
And we want to write.
Yes, I will say what you want to do. I'll say 672 minus 389. Dear children, these statements, I will send through WhatsApp. The subtraction we can do. Now we can do in the maths notebook. So all of you take your maths notebook. Write the next question. Next subtraction. Question number 21. Question number 21. All of you Subtract this. 672 minus 389. 672 minus 389. Do the subtraction. And the steps I will send through WhatsApp. Very easy. HTO 672 minus 389. Adit, done. Very good. Rajna is doing. Dhananjay, please unmute. Will you help me to do the subtraction?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We have to start the subtraction from which place? Ones place. So 2 minus 9, what do you get? 2 minus 9. Can we subtract 2 minus 9? No. Why? Because 2 is less. 2 is less than 9. 2 is less than 9. So we have to, if 2 is less than 9, what do you have to do? We have to borrow. From which place? From which place we will borrow then? From tens place. Your voice is breaking, dear. Your voice is breaking, so I can't hear your voice properly. From tens place we will borrow. So 7th place 10 is there. 7 is there. 10th place 7 is there. 7 will become 6. Your voice is breaking. Sorry, dear. Let me ask you somebody else. Bhumi, please unmute. Bhumi, please unmute. Yes. Okay. So 2 will become, we borrowed 1 from 10th place. Now 2 will become Bhumi. Where is our Bhumi? Can you hear me, Bhumi?
Yes.
This 2 will become?
2 will become?
From 10th place, we borrowed 1. If you are adding that with a 2, 2 will become 10 plus 2. We borrowed 1 10 from 10th place. So that we are going to add with the 2 ones. 10 plus 2. What do you get? 10 plus 2? Sorry? What? 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. 2 will become 12. Bhumi, can you hear me, Bhumi? Dear children, can you all hear me properly?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
2 will become 12. No maths notebook, dear children. You can write in the maths notebook.
Ma'am, answer is
Wait, don't.
283.
Okay, okay, okay.
283.
Okay, 12 minus 9. Please, we can do it. Some will be the 2.
90 number Livia.
Yes, children, some will be finding difficulty to do this. So
Okay,
we
ma'am.
can. 12 minus 9. What do you get? 12 minus 9. 3. Yes. 6 minus 8. What do you get? 6 minus 8.
8.
6 minus 8. Can we subtract?
No,
Now we have to. So borrow from 6 will become 5. And this 7. 6. Not 17. 16, dear. Please wait. Please, dear children, please listen here. 7 is not there. We have borrowed 1 from 7. It is already here. 6 is there. So it will become 16. 16 minus 8. What will get 16 minus 8? 8. And 5 minus 3. What will get 5 minus 3? 2. So 283 pencils left in the 83 pencils left in the box. Okay. Now, so next question. Adit, read next question.
Question.
Sorry?
21.
No. 21 we have done. No, now question number
22?
Yes, 22.
In a manufacturing company, 8,790 baskets were made out of which 5,819 baskets were weaved perfectly. How many baskets were not weaved properly?
So, what should be the first step? Number of baskets.
Basket.
Next, what we should write next step? Sorry?
Number of baskets made.
First step should be the number of baskets, 8,790. And next sentence it is given, out of which 5,819 were weaved perfectly. So what should be the next step? Number of baskets weaved perfectly equal to
Number of baskets weaved perfectly.
5,890. Then next step, what should be the final step? What do you have to find out? The number of baskets not weaved perfectly.
Number of baskets not weaved perfectly.
Not weaved perfectly equal to 8,000.
8,790 minus 5,819.
Very good. So all of you take your maths notebook. Do the next subtraction, question number 22. Do the subtraction. Question number 22. You have to subtract 8,719 minus 5,819.
Not finished.
Finished. Very good. Now, Amna, please unmute. Amna Fatima, please unmute. Please unmute. Yes. From where we have to start subtraction?
0. One
From
place.
ones place. It's ones, dear. So, 9 minus 9, what you will get?
0.
0. Then 1 minus 1?
0.
0. 7 minus 8?
Now we should borrow.
Ah, we should borrow. From which place we have to borrow?
8,000 please.
1,000 place. Here 8 is there. 8 will become?
7.
8 minus 1? 7.
7.
And the 7 will become 100 place. 7 will become?
70.
17. Who is saying 6? We are adding no 10. So it is 17. 17 minus 8. What you will get? 17 minus 8. Draw 17 lines. Cross 8 lines. What you will get?
9.
9. 7 minus 5. What you will get? 7 minus 5?
2.
2. So 2,900. And question number 23. Subtract 2,810 from 4,920. Here you should be careful. From. Subtract 2,810 from 4,920. So, which one we should write first, dear children? Which number we should?
4,920.
Yes, 4,920 is the bigger number. So, that you should write first. Then 4,920 minus 2,810 you have to do. That you have to do as a homework.
Okay, ma'am.
And question number 24, Ashwati should read. Please unmute and read. Question number 24. Yes.
A treasure hunt discovered an ancient box having 6,274 rupees.
Rupees.
And pearls. Altogether, 2,890 of these were pearls. How many rupees were there?
How many rupees were there? So how we will find out? What should be the first step? What should be the first step?
Number of
rupees and pearls. What is the number of rupees and pearls?
6,274.
Yes. Then what should be the next step? Number of
pearls.
Number of pearls. What is the number of pearls?
2,890.
Then what you have to find out? That should be the last step. What you have to find out? How many rupees?
Total number of pearls and rubies.
No. What do you have to find out? How many rupees? Number of rupees. How we will find number of rupees? We have to? We have to subtract. 6,274.
We have to write the 23rd question.
That is homework. I already told, no dear. Minus 2819. HTO 6274 minus 2819. Wait, dear children. Before doing that subtraction, our time is almost 2 minutes left. So we can discuss the next question also. So you can do the subtraction. And you can check the answer from the WhatsApp. Now itself I will send. So next question, who will read? Dara, please. Let others please keep quiet. Dara, read the question. Unmute and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 25.
A big basket
Bakery.
baked
Uh,
4,892
muffins.
muffins.
Mm.
1,753 of them were packed
Packed in
in a
boxes.
boxes.
Uh,
How many
muffins were.
left
Muffins means cup, like cupcake, one food item. So here, how many muffins are there? 4,000.
892.
So what should be the first step? Number of muffins.
Number of
Muffins.
muffins.
So 4,892. And next step, we have to write how many muffins are packed. It is 1,753 muffins are packed. So next step should be number of packed muffins. 1,753. And what we have to find out, how many muffins were left unpacked. So the last step, final step should be number of unpacked muffins. So number of packed muffins, 1,753. Number of unpacked muffins means you have to subtract 4,892 minus 1,753. That subtraction also you have to do now. Sit and do that subtraction also. I'll send the answer through WhatsApp and check the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. So thank you, my dear children.
Thank you,
You can do this subtraction now itself and check the answer from the WhatsApp. Okay? So thank you, my dear children. Be ready for the next.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.